Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tag Team channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna show you how can you recover unsaved Premiere Pro projects. So guys, to recover unsaved Premiere Pro projects, at first just go to this file option and go to your project, and you will see all of your project location where it is going to. So you can just go through this location. Just go to Premiere Pro and the version, and after that all of your projects will be here. Just open the project that you have unsaved and forget to save, just like I have opened this. As you can see, the unsaved Premiere Pro project is here. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tag Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.